Oh fuck.
You didn't lay it down.
No.
Oh, dude, I was gonna tell him, fuck no.
That's bad. That's insane.
You shouldn't have done that.
No, tell me you got that on video.
It probably did. I passed you as it happened, kinda. I kept going up though.
You alright?
It's a lot of rock.
Land my back.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. You see where you gotta lay it into the hill.
Yeah, once
I
you.
almost had it, dude.
Yeah, you did. You hit this big rock. You almost had it right here, but he kinda, yeah.
Fuck. Alright, you got me?